Hi everyone, I am Jan Licano from Section G1 and I will share the at least three definition related to the topic the 14 Kartilya ng Katipunan. Number 6. An honorable man's world is his bond. The 6 is about during the walk, the talk, concept or putting into action. The words that has been promoted, a katipunero who has a sense of shame must be a man of his own word. Number 7. Don't waste time. Lost wealth may be recovered, but time lost is lost forever. The seventh rule gives importance on how we manage our time and give our best, like tomorrow ends because time is as precious as a gold. A katipunero must give importance time for the katipunan. A time lost will never be back. Number 8. Defend the oppressed and fight the oppressor. The eighth lesson simply tells everyone to fight for what is right and fight with the person who is at the right side. A katipunero must protect the weak and fight for those who oppress the weak. So I will explain the number 7 related to the topic, the 14 Kartilya ng Katipunan. Don't waste time. Lost wealth may be recovered, but lost is lost forever. I will explain short that the time is more valuable than money because once lost, it can never be recovered. It encourages people to use their time wisely and not waste it on unproductive things.